go to Checkerboard Hill. Jennifer, you wanna say hi? It's gonna be a lot of vlogs, probably. But yeah, we're gonna try to find the left and right. This. We'll keep going up at the end of the building. Yeah, we're gonna try to find a place. Hopefully there's not too many people. We arrived, yeah. Up there. It's smaller than I expected. Right?
It looks bigger and closer.
Yeah, so much bigger. Are you gonna be able to find the drone? You think?
Yeah.
We're gonna try.
There's like trees, but I mean I have you, so you can watch the drone.
Or we can take like together. I can like take film can choose screenshot. Do we stay here? Wait. She has a drone. She's gonna try to fly it. It's so cute.
I'm a beginner. I don't know how to use
Yeah,
it.
we won't judge you. Oh, cute.
There's so many trees.
Yeah.
I'm scared it's gonna hit the tree.
The wind is okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You can show us your skills. By the way, we just went up a level, so we were down there before, and now we're up there. It's like better lighting here. It's so hot. We're so sweating. I feel comfortable vlogging with you because you're like English speaker.
Okay. So scared.
You're ready? Wait.
We come close.
Oh. Oh my god. So cool. She's attacking me. Mama. That's so cool.
I'm like so scared. We come closer.
She's using the drone to track herself.
Oh yeah.
And getting used to it.
Yeah.
Broken down old staircase, repeating pictures at ease, growing far from the new.
We're at the very top, so she's gonna try to fly her drone again to show me like some figures.
This doesn't even look like Hong Kong. It looks like Korea. Yeah, if you like eliminate all the text. Like panorama, like it can do like
picture,
like dajic, you know?
Yeah. Where is it? Oh, I see it. I see it.
Oh my god, it's so far.
Yeah,
I'm so scared.
Do you see it?
Okay, I'm gonna go
Oh,
back.
I see it. So we just finished taking pictures. How was your experience? flying your drone
sweating.
here.
I'm
It was
sweating.
scary.
It was scary.
We're gonna go to like Braemar, how do you say it?
Braemar Hill? Braemar
Which
Hill.
is like 30 minutes away from here. And we'll see like if we can catch the sunset.
I found somebody. I say you don't cross my mind.
So we just arrived to the top. It's
She
pretty
doesn't
pretty.
know that
We had to get through the bushes, but we made it. 好靚啊！係咪啊？
I take the long way home. Avoid what I can't let go.
哇！你睇佢去到咁高，一定得啊你！
Always think about you. But sometimes I
自合禮同嗰種。
Sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to
It's okay.
on First Avenue. Cause sometimes
I need my
I
drone for
don't know
tomorrow.
where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back
I'll
to
be
the
your
surface,
eyes
the
now.
feeling of all that we were. I always
Oh, man.
think
Forgot to put my
about you
thing down.
till
Oh.
First Avenue. That's when I
嚇死我啊！What does this change? Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Otherwise 我唔可以喐㗎。而家係6點。
And after we need to go, I think.
I guess the truth is
So creepy. What time is it? It's 6:11. It's like so dark. You see us? Wait, no, I need to see the road. What did you say? Is that how people get killed?
People get killed.
Yeah, that's scary.
Sometimes I drive through all of
This is already like pretty good. Like road.
First Avenue.
Just back there, what would we
I mean
just
through rocks.
Yeah, through rocks, through the jungle.
First, all of the turns that I
We're
had to
gonna go
unlearn.
back to the
To the surface,
bus.
the feeling of all that
Hopefully we don't get killed.
I know.
Are you into true crime too?
Yes,
Oh
I
my god,
am.
I'm so scared.
till First
Let me see
Avenue.
you.
That's when I
It actually really is scary.
It is. Imagine we just like run through like spiders.
Yeah. Have you seen the spiders here?
Yeah.
It's so big.
Not like here.
Like in, when you're hiking.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do.